Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 90, letters. So this is one of those puzzles that I've been giving you lately, our lateral thinking puzzle, and thank you very much for your wonderful feedback. Let's see how you go with this one. What starts with the letter P, ends with the letter E, and has thousands of letters? A clue will be given on the next slide. So try and solve this in exactly 2 minutes' time. I will give you a clue. So if you haven't solved it, or if you had a little bit of trouble, the clue might help you. But try and solve it before you go to the next slide. Okay, as promised, here comes the clue. That's if you need it. You might have already solved it. Here is the clue. So the puzzle was, what starts with the letter P, ends with the letter E, and has thousands of letters? And the clue is, millions of people rely on me. The answer is on the next slide. So in 1 more minute I'll give you the answer, but see if you can solve it yourself, if you haven't already done so. Okay, as promised, here is the answer. I wonder how you went. What starts with the letter P, ends with the letter E, and has thousands of letters? And the answer, post office. And that fits all the clues, doesn't it? And it fits the question. I hope you enjoyed that little puzzle, and there'll be plenty of more puzzles coming in the next days and weeks. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and we'll go there right now.